Here's 100 any reps standing on my head version. Because I also like to stand on my head every day. So that's the way I can knock out 2 birds with 1 stone, as they call it. We'll go 100, 99, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 90. A little close in here. 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, and 80, 79, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 70, 69, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 60, 59, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 50, 49, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 40, 39, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 30, 29, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just do a few extras in case I miscounted. And there you have it, 100 any reps. And I'm going to guess like under 2 minutes. There you go.